Our today's topic is arithmetic progression. Now, arithmetic progression is lesson number 5 in class 10 textbooks. My question is, what is arithmetic progression? And the answer to my question is a list of numbers, or you can say a set of numbers which are arranged in such a manner that you get the next number by adding a fixed value to the previous number except the first number. Except the first number, when you obtain the second number, third number, fourth number and so on, okay, you add a fixed value and you obtain the next numbers. For example, we'll just write one progression, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 dot so on, right? That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What do you see the common thing in them? And the common thing in them is what? You obtain the every next digit by adding 5 to the previous digit. That is, the first digit is 5, then second is what? 10. And how you got 10? 5 plus 5 gives you 10. Then third is what? 15. How you got 15? 10 plus 5 is 15. Again plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. Again plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. Clear? So, in this list of numbers is called arithmetic progression. Now, we will see few very important terms about arithmetic progression. Okay, in this, the first term is called A. First term is called A. And the fixed number, the fixed difference that you are adding to all the numbers, that is called D. That is called D. And how do you obtain D actually? How do you obtain D? That is by difference of any two consecutive numbers. By taking the difference of any two consecutive numbers. So, your D is A2. What is second term here? 10. Minus first term is 5. So, 10 minus 5. So, D is equals to 5. Clear? So, you have A and you have D. But now, why we are going to study AP? Why we are going to study arithmetic progression? The basic reason here is, when you have a list of numbers and you are getting the very next number by adding a constant value. From this list, you can obtain nth number. That is, when you do not know a particular number. Suppose I am asking you, find the 20th term. Which term? Find the 20th term. So, for this we have a formula, and the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the formula? An, that is nth term, is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So, here as I told you, if I want to find 20th term, that is a20. A20 is equals to, what is a actually? Here we have 5, right? Plus, what is n now? 20, right? So, 20 minus 1 into d. What is the d here? 5, right? So, when you solve this, a20 is equals to 5 plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1. Instead of n, what we have used? Instead of n we have used here 20. Clear? That is 20 minus 1 into 5. So, when you solve it ahead further, what you get? 5 plus 20 minus 1 is what? 19 into 5. So, your a20 is 5 plus 95. So, your a20 is 100. That means, whenever you are asked to find the nth term, you can use this formula, this one, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d.